How to install and use the RIA Money Transfer application. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to install and use the RIA Money Transfer application. In order to install and use the RIA Money Transfer app, at first you have to download the application by visiting the App Store or the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Now you can search for the RIA Money Transfer and select the official app by RIA Financial. Now you can tap Get or Install to download and install the application. Now you can create a free account by opening the RIA application and selecting your country. You can enter your phone number and verify with a one-time password sent via SMS. Now you can also create a password and provide your name, email, date of birth, occupation and address, and accept the terms and conditions to complete your account creation. Now in order to send the money, you can log into your new account in the RIA application. Select the country that you would like to send money to and the amount. You can also choose your payment method, that is debit or credit card, bank account or cash, and then provide the recipient's details like name and location. Now you can review and confirm the transfer details to complete the transaction. Use the Track a Transfer feature in the app to monitor the status of your money transfer, and you can view the details like the transfer amount, fees and expected delivery time, and also be notified once the money is successfully delivered to your recipient. The RIA app offers a fast, secure, and convenient international money transfers to over 190 countries. With over more than 5 lakh cash pickup locations worldwide, you can easily send the money to your loved ones. New users can also get a $1 fee on their first transfer using the promo code HelloRIA. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.